My name is Navnita. Today we're going to discuss some phrases which can help improve our English. Let's start. The first phrase is a blessing in disguise, which means something that seems bad at first but brings a good outcome later on. For example, the mistake was a blessing in disguise, or me losing the job was a blessing in disguise. The next phrase is bite the bullet, which means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. For example, she had to bite the bullet during the operation, or the kids decided to bite the bullet and tell the truth. The next phrase is let the cat out of the bag, which means to reveal a secret, often accidentally. For example, she let the cat out of the bag about the party during dinner, or she said not to let the cat out of the bag about the job offer. The next phrase is under the weather, which means feeling sick or unwell. For example, she suddenly got under the weather during the play, or he has been under the weather for the past 2 days. The next phrase is costs an arm and a leg, which means something that is extremely expensive. For example, that necklace costs an arm and a leg, or that trip costs an arm and a leg. We should start using these phrases in daily life. Thank you for watching.